adjust your seat. Make sure you can reach the pedals.
It's already good.
Are you sure? Press the brake. Good. Okay. Your mirrors. How are your mirrors? You can see your people next to you. Okay. How is this one? You can see the back. All right. Put your seatbelt in.
You too? You too, Alexander? I'm a good driver.
That's rule number 1. They tell you to do that for the test. All right. Now go ahead and press the brake and put it in drive. Oh, hold on. Here, press the brake. All right, let's go ahead.
Is it gonna shift automatic?
No, not yet. Take off your directionals. Go ahead and drive. All right, now start paddle shifting.
What do you mean?
Go ahead, press plus.
Just like that?
Yeah, go to number 2 now.
You can't hear it though.
Obviously, because I don't have an exhaust.
How straight are we going?
All right, now we're gonna turn left right here on this street.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, now slow down. All right, we're doing a lot better than last time. Last time we were confused. All right, go ahead. Get in the middle over there. Get in that side always. Never too close to the left. All right, then go ahead. Second gear. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right.
Left.
Yes, we're gonna go left again. We have a stop. Okay, go ahead, and like I said last time, stay on the right side of the road, because always got to pretend like there's a car there. Here you go, that's good, but not too much. Don't cut too late. Okay. Yes, it does. You have to shift.
I don't hear it.
You gotta feel it. Go left. Yeah. Okay. Get on the right side of the road, remember. Less. Right there. Just like that. Every single time. Go ahead. Rápido. Dale. Run. Go. Okay, now we're going to go to the right. Okay, and this one you have to get tight on the right side. So you got to hug this. Wait. Let's see, this is why you got to hug it. Hug it. More. Alright, and then let go. Yeah, there. Alright, go ahead. No, don't do that. So, one of my friends' dad taught me that you see that right there?
What?
The inside right there. You see how the line is going inside to the corner of your mirror? No, put the line, the middle of the line, into that corner of your window.
This little thing?
No, right here. Right here. So, right here I can see the line.
Glass?
Yeah, so the glass coming in right here. So if you can see the middle of the line coming in right here, that's where you want to be. Alright, so go ahead and adjust your seat. Put your seatbelt on, sure. Okay, adjust your seat. Get it closer in if you need to. The bottom thing right here. Okay. You're comfortable? Feel your brake. Where are you at? Feel it. Are you good? All right, then go.
Direction is this one, right? Up.
Yep, up and down. Yep. Okay. Hold your brake and then put it in drive.
For the parking, driving,
right there. Hold your brake. It's right there in the middle. It'll say it right there in the middle. Okay. Yeah. Hold your brake down and put it in drive. Put it in,
this one?
Yeah, all the way down. Yep. Right there. Go. Go. Alright, you're good. Alright, make sure you're on the right side of the road. Alright, you're good right here. Keep on going straight. Keep on going. Now we're gonna turn left at the stop sign. For your signal, remember, from far away. That's the right. I'm going to the left. I get closer to the right side. Ease on the. Oh, you're not gonna stop, kid?
I'll stop.
Oh, what are you doing all the way on the left side? Get on the right side of the road, kid. Come on. All right. All right, go straight. We're gonna do a stop at the stop sign. All right. All right, put your directional. We're gonna turn left, obviously. Ease into the brake. Ease into it. 1, and then count 1, 2, 3. For your test, that's how you're gonna have to do it. You can't do that quick stop.
1, 2, 3.
Go ahead. Get closer to the right side though. Don't turn too much right away. Like I told Diego, ease and then cut into it.
Which way?
We're gonna go left again. You gotta practice on those. All right, slow down, slow down, slow down, and then you gotta stop at the line, and you can't do it like that. Ease into it. Ease. No, not right away. Right here. Ease into it. Go, dale, and then you're gonna cut into it. Go. Get on the right side.